Are you ready to organize your closet? Well, I have got 4 products that will do just that, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Erin from Wardrobe Hackers, and today I'm going to talk about 4 products for your closet that you need. This is going to be from my article, 13 Ways to Make Your Dream Closet. All right, so the first product I'm going to talk about, and this is going to be the Marcus Mayfield Scarf Organizer. It's off Amazon. It's about $14. It's really great because it actually won't snag your scarves because of what it's made from. It's going to hold up to 28 scarves. You can also put leggings on here, really whatever you have that needs to be organized that can easily fit into these holes. It's really a great product. I love it and definitely suggest it. The next product I'm going to showcase is going to be for all your husbands and for all your boyfriends. It's going to be the tie rack. So this one is actually going to hold up to 20 ties. It rotates in a 360-degree angle, so you can easily pull your ties out. It doesn't take up much space in your closet. This is actually a 2-pack. I didn't even realize that when I ordered it. So it's about $10. Really a great investment to, hold all of your ties and keep them in really great shape, because we know ties can be very expensive. The third product I'm going to show you is going to be for all the ladies, and it is going to be the jewelry organizer. So this is actually mine from my home, so you can see all of my jewelry that I've collected over the years. I really love this because I can easily see what earrings I want to wear for the day. I can easily pick them out. It's got a back side as well, just to showcase. Down at the bottom, you're able to put all of your bracelets in, rings, really whatever you have that you just want to, keep organized. Doesn't take up any space in your closet either. Really a great product, and it's going to be about $10. The next product, which I thought was super neat. I had actually never seen these before. This is going to be the hanging boot file. So you're able to hang up to 3 boots in here. It's going to keep the life of the boot. It actually comes with a blow-up insert, one blow-up insert for you. You're able to put inside your boot to keep it upright. I really, really love this. As you can see, it doesn't take up much space as well. So if you have multiple boots, you're gonna, want to get multiple of these. This is from Whitmore off Amazon, and it costs about $10 too. So anyways, if you like what you've seen today, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media at Wardrobe Hackers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.